Okay, actually ang farm namin talaga, way back 2019, it was really a cacao farm. We have around 4,000 cacao trees, and then intercrop din kami ng, banana. Gusto natin i-preserve yung organic. Papaano magiging organic kung yung kinakain nila is not organic? So we have to go back to basic. Ang pinakamabigat na challenge sa pagmamanok or siguro livestock in general is yung pagkain.
Feeds.
Yung feeds talaga. Kasi yung commercial feeds, let's face it, mahal siya. And there was a time, 'di ba, sinabi ko na umabot sila ng 700 heads. Paano mo ngayon siya i-maintain, no? Yung bigat ng yung bigat ng pagbili ng commercial feeds kasi you have to feed them 2 times a day. So just imagine kung magre-rely ka lang sa commercial, anong mangyayari? So yun talaga nag-open ng mind namin to look for an alternative.